करपाक आयिल्लें टू पे अ रिस्पेक्ट टू लेट सर मतानी साल्दाना. हांव सर म्हणटा कित्याक तो म्हजो टिचर आशिल्लो डॉन बॉस्कोन. म्हाका बायोलॉजी शिकयल्या ताणें आनी तेन्नाच आमकां कळून आयलें ही वॉज व्हेरी पॅशनेट. शिकयतना सदांच वीथ एनवायरमेंट ही वॉज रिलेटींग आनी आमकांय त्या जर्नीन घेवन वेतालो. ताचे उपरांत इश्कॉल जातकूच समवेर आय जॉयन नेवी. म्हळ्यार हांव आतां आय वॉज टेलिंग मिसीस लिना साल्दाना की हांव जेन्ना कोचीन पोस्टींग आशिल्लो आय वेंट टू वन माउंट वे सेंट थॉमस फुटस्टेप्स आहा ते आनी पावतकूच ताणें पळयलें की अरे बाबा वो केरलाचो न्ही लुंगी बिंगी ना. ताणें विचारलें कहाँ के हैं म्हणलें मागीर गोवा का. अभी आपका मिनिस्टर चला गया म्हणपाक लागलो आके मतानी साल्दाना. सो इट वॉज अ मिस्ड एनकाउंटर. I think so, Sir Matanhy Saldanha stood for his ideals. म्हणजे it was a fight against oppression. He was not man who was oppressed, but he took oppression on himself to fight for the underprivileged. जे नुस्तेकारांची झूज आशिल्लें ते आपणें ते तांचेर जुलूम जातालो ताजेर ताणें झूज मारलें. बी इट जुवारी एग्रोचें पोल्युशन ताका लागून ते वॉटर एक्ट कायदो आयलो. Or be it against SEZ or be it against Metastrip. हे सगळे लोकांचे झूज मांडून ही वॉज इन द फोरफ्रंट. आयज आमी ताका मान रिस्पेक्ट दिवपाक हांगा आयल्या.
75 बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी आसा आमचो लेट मतानी साल्दाना आनी आयज हांव फिशींग कम्युनिटीक उपकारान आसा कित्याक आयज 11 वर्सां जालीं तरी पासून आमचे लोक मतानीक उगडास करता आनी मतानीक आयज गाल्लण घालपाक सोदां येता. पूण आयज जें वातावरण आसा जे पॉलिटिक्सूय पळयल्यार आयज सेल्फ इंट्रस्टाक लागून आयज पॉलिटिशियन जालेले आसा. सेल्फलेस काम करपाक जो मतानी 40 वर्सां केलें जें गोंयकारपण राखपाक गोंय राखपाक जे एज्युटेशनांत ताणें केलें गोंय साल्वार करपाक जे प्रोजेक्ट येताले ते बंद करपाक हे मतानीचें मोग आशिल्लो गोंयकारांक आनी गोंय राखपाक. आनी आयज आमी पळयलें जाल्यार जे सागरमाला प्रोजेक्ट्स जे येता रेल्वे आसूं नाल्यार MPT पोर्ट एक्सपान्शन आसूं नाल्यार मोले वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी आसूं सगळे जे प्रोजेक्ट पळय येता आयज हे गोंयचे हितेक ना. आनी आयज मतानी आशिल्लो जाल्यार हे सगळे प्रोजेक्टां तो ओपोज करपाचो. जेन्ना तो एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आसतना ताणें सांगलेलें की आमी फॉरेस्ट लँड मायनिंगाक दिवचे ना म्हणून. पूण आयज जे वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी पळय डिक्लेअर केला कोर्टान तोच एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की आमी तें वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी करपाक डिक्लेअर करचें टायगर रिजर्व करपाक डिक्लेअर करचें. पूण असलें पळय वातावरण पळय जालेलें आसा हें पर्यावरणाक आनी गोंयकारांक बरें ना.
75 years old, okay? And I'm sure, knowing Matanhy, he would still be in love with Goa, the land that he loved and gave his life to protect it from all points of view. In fact, he, as you all know, conducted so many agitations to protect Goa. Unfortunately, what we see happening within the state these days is contrary to what Matanhy fought for. Everything, I don't know what's happening, but it appears as if everything that was, cancelled or decided as not happening is coming back. And people are agitated now. There is unrest at all village levels because the marinas are coming. Somebody is, wanting the land which is, eco-sensitive areas. You cannot construct in eco-sensitive areas. See, there are laws. Whatever Matanhy fought for was always based on the law. Marina, for example. Marinas were cancelled. How are these marinas coming up again? And are they beneficial to the state of Goa, given the size of the state, given the fact that Goa has already exceeded its carrying capacity? And yet projects are being brought into the state without any consideration to the people and the well-being of the people. So I hope and I pray and I appeal to the government to take care of our Goa, because our Goa is a dot-sized state. If you compare Goa to its neighboring states, one is 56 times bigger and the other is 82 times bigger than Goa. So what is possible in these big states is not possible in Goa. Especially, I request the government again and again, I've done this right from inception and I'm doing it again. Please do not destroy the villages of South Goa with the double track. And when I say villages, I mean do not destroy the lives of the people, because the double track is literally going to throw the people on the roads. Because in some cases the double track is actually landing inside the compound of the houses. How will people live in those houses? So I think we have development does not mean destruction of people's lives by destroying what is a home is everything to anybody and everybody. Take Dandamolo for example. Okay, now they have received notices to vacate their houses. Okay, government is giving compensation. What government is giving is peanuts, given the cost of land, cost of construction now. And where are they going to go to construct? And they have given their heart and soul to construct their homes. Some of their homes are coming up and you're telling them to vacate the houses? I mean, have a heart. People elect the government to serve the people, not to destroy their lives. So I hope and I pray that Matanhy will intervene from up there, send positive waves and ensure that better sense prevails.